We are going to get our first adult goat.
Oh, it's a heavy one.
It's okay. Hey, you're not goats.
Human grade animal crackers. Whoa.
Oh, wow. Huh? There you go. There you go.
Alrighty.
Woo, big day for us, baby. We are going to get our first adult goat, which, as we talked about before, is the big sister of Mary and Pippin.
That's right.
And she's a beautiful goat. We've seen pictures of her, and I'm really excited. How are you feeling?
I'm excited. You know, I'm wanting to expand our herd, and they bred her last month. We are in part of the Appalachian mountain range region.
Yep.
We'll get out there, we'll get some fresh air, and hopefully not have too difficult of a time getting an adult goat into the back of an SUV.
We'll see how that goes. That'll be a big first.
It's beautiful out here. The leaves, some of them are still really vibrant. And I could see myself one day just living out here in the middle of nowhere. It is beautiful, and it seems like everybody who lives here has got some kind of a farm. We've seen lots of cows and goats.
Oh, right on cue. We're just about there. We'll follow up with you when we get there. We're currently at the owner's farm, and we're about to do it. We're doing it all right.
We are up in the hills of Appalachia here.
Yeah, we are.
Coolest farmer lady I ever did know. And a good mama. It's really beautiful. Oh, hey, bud. Hey, bud. Oh, sorry. Let's get the leash.
Got her a special color. Sun, moon, and stars. Let's do it.
Okay, boy, okay, it's all right. We won't mess with you. It was a side eye, though.
I know, right?
Take your stay away from my baby. Go ahead. Ooh, look at the ball up on the hill there. Is that another Pyrenees up there?
That's our original Angora goat.
Oh my!
That's our old, ancient, original Angora.
How old is that one?
She's 12 or 13.
Those are the stinky boys?
Yeah.
Hello, stinky boys. You're so pretty and fluffy, though.
Oh, yeah, just like you.
That's your baby.
Oh,
I know. Wow, look at the fleece on him.
Oh, wow. Boy, you gorgeous.
You gorgeous.
Yeah. Wow, so they're little
mini.
Okay.
You're not goats.
Zebus.
Hi, babies.
Imagine.
Hello.
Cookies? It's someone to cookies. Goats are so fun. We just love them.
Sure. And you know what? We'll stop and get some. Look at that, folks. Human grade animal crackers going to these babies.
Oh, yeah.
There she is. Oh, she's so cute. Hi, sweet Poppy. You're beautiful. Oh my gosh. I could definitely see a little Pippin and Mary.
Definitely, huh?
Cookie?
Yes, yeah, I'm all right. There you go.
Love to eat them, honey.
Hi, sweet baby. You're so
Oh.
pretty. You are so pretty. Hi. Oh, it's a little scary. It's a little scary. Would you like another animal cracker? There you go. Nom, 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 nom.
Hi, Big Poppy.
Can you say hi?
You're gonna get so many animal crackers with us?
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, that's good stuff, huh?
Beautiful eyes.
What you like? You can trust us. It's very hesitant chewing.
Great face.
Yeah, she does. You're
I
welcome.
don't know if that's going to be big enough, but I can make it bigger.
How big is your neck size?
That even looks small. Sweet girl. Oh, that's pretty big now. Might be too big.
Good girl.
I can tighten it. Good girl, Poppy.
You know what sweet girls get? No more crackers.
Alright, that's probably all right.
Yum, 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 yum.
Good girl. Okay,
Good
the
girl,
color's
baby.
on. I'll just leave the drawers when you don't want to spook her.
Yeah.
That's what we've done in the past is Come on, Pop.
Good girl, Poppy.
Puppy. Come on, Puppy. Come on, Puppy. Come on, Puppy. Let's go. Good girl. Come on.
Good girl. It's okay.
Come on, baby girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. Make a lion out of her. Puppy, Puppy. Good girl. Yay. Good girl.
Oh, sweetheart.
Where are we going? I'll tell you what, that's gone better than I would have.
Oh, yeah? Good.
Where are we going? She's with my mom. Where is she? Where is she?
Oh,
Maybe
sweetheart.
that's why she's so easy coming out looking for mama.
Yeah.
Food.
A little bit of everything.
Good girl.
Hey,
We got more chew.
I've got the magic treats.
You need more?
I imagine these are probably going to go pretty quick.
Leave it shut or open? Good. Maybe she thinks she's going back to see her.
Hopefully. Thank you.
Oh, she's a heavy one.
Is she a puller? Do you want to switch off?
Might you want to go down this way? It's dirt.
Okay.
So you don't slip in the Come on, Poppy.
Want me to switch off, honey?
There we go.
Okay. You go, Poppy. It's okay. Oh, hey.
You could go behind her.
Okay. Yep.
Whoa.
Oh,
All
it's
right.
okay.
All right, baby girl.
It's okay.
All right.
Hey. It's oh. It's okay. Hey. It's okay. See? Yeah. Everything's okay where there's cookies.
All righty.
Okay, I hope you're enjoying your room. We got nice luxurious blankets down for you. I'm sure you've noticed. Got snacks upon request. If you need anything else, just let us know. And don't break the window, please. I know you're thinking about it. So it became quickly apparent that we needed all hands on deck to make this happen.
Couldn't really film.
We were wildly unprepared for how heavy this girl would be. No offense. No offense. But we made it happen.
She got them birthing hips.
She got those birthing hips, all right. Well.
Would you like a cookie? Yeah.
Beautiful. Good girl.
Out leaf blower, we don't like it.
Yeah, I know.
Are you stress eating cookies? We can stress eat cookies together.
Same, yeah. Well, you're so fluffy, just like your sister.
You want to give me that one?
I would love to. Come give you tasties.
I'm so stressed out, but I love cookies.
You're gonna have a life of tasty cookies.
No, honey.
Oh, sweet girl.
That's a big girl.
Yeah, it is.
That's a big girl.
Do you see all that chunk?
Thick with 10 seeds, I tell you. We will get back to you once we are ready to get her out.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Your sister's here. Whew.
They told us just how well behaved Poppy was, and she really proved that to us in the car. She barely made a sound the whole way home. Such an easygoing goat.
She's really, really sweet.
Yeah.
All right.
She is very ready.
She's big.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hold on, better watch out. I proved myself as a man. Hi, baby Poppy. Hi, sweet girl. You made it.
Are you ready, baby?
You made it,
Your
honey.
sister?
Uh-oh, do I need to get you some animal crackers? What if they don't like me?
It's okay, sweet girl.
Come on, you big chonkosaurus. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Ready to your new home.
Here's where I'm a little worried because she is so big.
It's okay.
No chonk.
Go chomp. Here, why don't you hang on to her for a sec? I'll get her animal cookies just to calm her down a little.
She has the most beautiful eyes. She almost doesn't have goat eyes. They're like really, really pretty big eyes. It's okay, sweet. Oh, she heard that immediately.
I've got the goods.
Time for some stress
I've
cookies.
got the good stuff. It's okay.
Yeah, it's always time for
Everything's okay.
cookies.
Always time. Okay, one more. And
It's amazing how she looks like a cross between Pippin and Mary.
I know.
This big girl.
She kept peeking at us over the seat, and I was just seeing like grown-up Mary. Like she looks just like her.
Are you feeling safe in the tarp? Would you like to come and see your sister?
It's been my world for the last 2 hours.
Come and see your sister?
Well, yeah, come here, sweetheart. There you go. There you go. Okay. There you go.
Alrighty.
Good girl. You did it.
Yeah.
You did it.
Alright, you want to go be with the kids? Come on.
Well, there you go, sweetheart.
Oh, Mary knows. Luke. There you go, sweet girl. We know she's gonna be looking for Mom.
Yeah.
She and her mom were very bonded. It's your sister! It's your big sis! It's your big sis!
Yeah.
Oh, say hi. She's such a rotund thing.
She really is.
She has chipmunk cheeks.
She's so beautiful. Go see your sister.
They had separated her from her mom for the last few days so that she'd be okay with, hopefully, the transition. I feel like Mary has a sense of recognition,
Yeah.
the way she's looking at her.
But like cautiousness.
Uh-huh.
Come on, come see your sister.
Okay, baby. Okay, puppy.
Okay, Poppy.
Puppy knows her name,
Poppy.
and that's pretty
Well, I see we have some trust to earn.
Okay, girl.
Poppy.
It's okay. It's a puppy.
Might as well escort her to her goat house and see what you think. That's good. She couldn't jump into the back of the car. She's literally a blue whale. Baby. Oh, I think it doesn't help being in a new environment when it's dark out. We thought we'd get back a long time ago, but traffic. And taking back roads, just driving slower than usual to, make sure that she doesn't get rocked around in the back at all. And quite a trip, but alas, we made it. Gonna take some time for her to get used to it too. One, she can't see, and two, she's never been here, so.
Not much we can do right now other than hope that she doesn't find a way to escape. Hopefully they'll sort out some things tonight between the 5 of them.
She seems very cautious of them. Kind of funny. They're like a third her size, but she's running away from them.
It's all new.
Yeah.
It's all new. She'll be all right.
We'll get there. Like I said, we've got a lot of trust to earn, and we got all the love in the world together, so we'll get it eventually.
And we are tired, hungry ourselves, so we'll check back in the morning. Goat number 5.
Woo. Oh, hi.
Hey, baby.
I love you too.
Baby.
Yeah? So this is the first morning that we've had Poppy. We got back, obviously, as you saw, too late to really let her get the lay of the land, but she did great last night. She didn't get out, which we were worried about. Are you okay? Are you okay? She seems to be doing pretty good, still a little slow going. She ate some food, which is good. She's been talking to her new friends a lot. Oh. Ladies, can you let your sister through, please? Thank you. She's very hungry. Don't make that face on camera, Luke. Yeah, there we go. A little more nums. Oh. Who's that? What happened? Luke, stop being a bad dog. Leia's been a little more cautious of her. She's been slow to approach, and the one time that she did, she got bucked. So, that's just Poppy's way. Be like, yo, new environment, new goats, new jerk-faced goat, being a typical man. She just needs some space. Well, it's her way of telling him. And Luke doesn't seem to understand that. Luke! Hey, I'm talking to you. Stop it. I'm approaching ever so slowly. Ever so slowly. Want some hay, baby? I'm a good guy. You don't have to worry about me. Would you like some hay? Yeah, too fast, too fast. All right. We'll get there. Shaping.
Shh.